Welcome everybody to Great Yarmouth Photos and Webcams. Here we are at Hemsby. Anyone booked to go to Hemsby 2024? If you have, let us know in the comments below, please. Tell us when you come in, where you're staying.
Yeah.
We're just going to have a walk past the amusements and a little walk round Hemsby. Then keep watching, because there's another quick video at the end of the Hemsby video of Great Yarmouth as well. So carry on watching for the next bit as well. Thank you. Is this everyone's favourite place? If it is, give us a like. Share it with your friends as well, please. If you've got any friends that come here as well, don't forget to tag them. Little John's, everyone's favourite Hemsby shop, that's been there for years and years. That's what that one has. Two-way cafe there just to the right. Anyone seen Bradley Walsh in there? Some of you has been telling me on Facebook that you have met him. I think one of his relations is the owner. I think, anyway, so correct me if I'm wrong, tell me in the comments. Here's all the little sort of gift shops. Is this your favourite chip shop? There's another gift shop just to the right here, which is always a busy shop next to this amusement arcade. Crazy Golf as well, just to the left. So, busy pub there. The people that own that used to be on the Bevan's restaurant, if you can remember that. I know it's been gone probably over 10 years now, but so that's well worth a visit. thought the pier might have been open today, but it's still shut at the moment. Whether it'll be open a little bit later on,